Your wedding is more than choosing the perfect gown, the right cake, a beautiful and unforgettable place, the most meaningful flowers, bridal bouquet, boutonnieres, wedding decor and colors that will reflect your personality and love story. It is about sharing with closest friends and family this new chapter of your life. Whole Blossoms has served over 48,000 weddings in the last decade, bringing week after week the most exquisite fresh cut flowers to all 50 states in the U.S. and 5 regions in Canada, from selected farms around the globe, while saving brides a substantial amount that has helped them have their dream wedding within their budget. Whether you choose to design your own flowers with friends and relatives or hire a florist to make them for you, Whole Blossoms will bring to your wedding premium fresh flowers in the colors, styles, and shapes that will make your wedding dream come true. Whole Blossoms, always with you unconditionally.